Top 5 Best Portable Camping Sinks. Number 5. Goplus Portable Folding Table with Sink Faucet. Whether you're hosting a garden party or going on a fishing trip, the Goplus Portable Folding Table is the ideal companion, providing comfort and functionality. So, if you need a separate workstation to wash, cut, and prepare the catch or game, this unit will let you do it all without falling short on space. Why did we like it? When it comes to durability and stability, this Goplus model is second to none. For starters, we're very impressed with the HDPE tabletop, rated toxic and odor-free, thereby perfectly meeting your hygiene requirements. Furthermore, the tabletop is supported by plastic sprayed steel pipes that do not rust when in contact with water. The whole apparatus provides a load-bearing capacity of 440 pounds, good enough for your heavy-duty needs. As far as the sink goes, it's conveniently positioned on the side, allowing users to access water while prepping the food. Besides, the sink bowl is adequately deep and comes with an adjustable hose, ensuring convenience and ease of use. Lastly, the table legs and the faucet sink can be neatly folded to facilitate hassle-free storage and transportation. What could have been better? This unit more or less works as advertised, and hence we do not have a lot of negatives to point out. However, the only downside is that it does not come with leg clips, meaning if you're putting it in your car trunk, the legs open unless you bind them with a cord. Pros. Toxic and odor-free HDPE tabletop. Provides a load-bearing capacity of 440 pounds. Deep sink bowl comes with an adjustable hose. Table legs and the faucet sink can be neatly folded. Cons. Legs open up unless held in place with a cord. Coming in number 4. Coldcreek Outfitters Outdoor Washing Table and Sink. Sometimes, a small portable basin is not enough for a bigger group of campers. In that case, if you're looking to upgrade your outdoor sink, we suggest investing in the Coldcreek Outfitters Outdoor Washing Table. It's one of those items on our list that combines style and utility, offering the best deal at an affordable price. Why did we like it? This model from Coldcreek Outfitters is an impressive option for camping, backpacking, and fishing enthusiasts looking to create a dedicated washing station. It's chock full of unique features, instantly making it reliable and user-friendly. For starters, it features 2 sinks measuring 1.5 inches and 4.5 inches deep, respectively. Therefore, you'll have plenty of space to wash hands, dishes, gear, fish, or game. Apart from that, it includes a spot for trash, allowing you to keep things clean and organized. Furthermore, since it also doubles as a table, you can utilize this space to cut, chop, and prepare food. In fact, the table side has ruled markings, helping users to measure fishes before cutting into fillets. If you're worried about its practicality, let's just say that its foldable design ensures convenient transportation and storage. Besides, it's a cinch to set up and take down, so you won't be struggling to handle this. What could have been better? We're satisfied with the overall performance of this unit and do not have any complaints about its design. However, the faucet connector does not have the same threads as the standard garden hose. You need to buy the 3/4 tapered pipe fitting aftermarket if you decide on using this model. Pros. Suitable for washing hands, dishes, gear, fish, and game. The table is available for cutting, chopping, and prepping food. Foldable design ensures convenient transportation and storage. Includes dual sinks with a spot for trash collection. Cons. Faucet connector is incompatible with a standard garden hose. Coming in number 3. Outsunny Portable Folding Camping Table. You might want to check this out sink for the outdoors before this is sold out. I really like that this is simple to use simply because a lot of things can go wrong with complicated items. If you would like a well-made item with lots of features and a good price tag, then look no further. This is an amazing item with an even better price, plus it has lots of features. This item is incredibly easy to use. It looks fantastic and I really like it. I really like this item. This is a high-quality item and lots of men and women really like it as well. I am grateful I can find this item easily online. It is such a hassle finding it in my local mall. Material is easy to clean, one of the easiest to clean items I know of. Company continues to amaze me with amazing items. Coming in number 2. Coleman Packaway Deluxe Portable Kitchen. This portable camping sink is amongst the very best that I am aware of. Just because an item is expensive does not mean it is also sturdy. If you want something sturdy, then I recommend obtaining this. I've read a great deal of positive customer feedback and each one has something good to say about the features of this item. For me, I just really like the budget-friendly price tag. There is not a great deal to point out aside from I love this a lot. You're going to be surprised at the selling price of this item because this is incredibly inexpensive. I have read the feedback on the web and I thought some might be embellished. I was absolutely incorrect. I can spend hours just reading the positive customer reviews that this item has. Outdoor ready item, amazing outdoor item, designed to be space saving. Coming in number 1. Seek SKFT 48S Deluxe Cleaning Table. One of the greatest things I have ever tried is this portable camping sink. Companies including the one that made this impressive item always spend a considerable amount of time designing and improving their items over time. It is superb that I found this item and I love that this works really well. I am happy I discovered this item. It can clean and wash dishes while in the outdoors. It is also one of the most budget-friendly items that I know of. I love the lightweight material this is created out of, which makes it easy to carry. There are a large amount of men and women that thinks that this is outstanding, including myself. This is made out of lightweight material, which makes this ideal for the outdoors. Made to last for years to come, designed for outdoor activities, item is great for the outdoors.